In today's video, let's see the recent maritime accidents. Crude oil spill off Sriracha coast, Phoenix Jamnagar. On June 5, 2025, the Singapore-flagged oil tanker Phoenix Jamnagar spilled 20 tons of crude oil off Thailand's Sriracha coast after a pipeline rupture during offloading at SBM2. Severe weather triggered the breakaway coupling, causing a 30-minute leak. Thai Oil activated an emergency response with booms, dispersants, and aerial monitoring. By June 6, the slick was contained with no injuries. Investigations are ongoing amid environmental monitoring. Explosion aboard One High 503, Indian Coast Guard leads emergency response. On June 9, 2025, the container ship One High 503 exploded in the Arabian Sea, 130 nautical miles off Kerala, causing a fire and container loss. The Indian Coast Guard deployed ships, aircraft, and salvage teams for firefighting and towing. Of 22 crew, 18 were rescued, 3 injured, and 4 remain missing. With 1.2 lakh tons of fuel on board, pollution risks remain. The vessel was towed away by June 13. Diesel spill in Yenisei River. Tug OT 2439 runs aground. On June 8, 2025, Russian tug OT 2439 grounded in the Yenisei River after hitting an underwater object, spilling 30 tons of diesel. The incident affected up to 50 kilometers of shoreline, prompting a state of emergency in the Krasnoyarsk region. Containment booms and water testing were initiated. Authorities warned of long-term environmental impact. A criminal investigation is underway. Canarias Express drifts unsteered after engine failure. On June 10, 2025, the Aro cargo ship Canarias Express lost engine power in the Bocaina Strait between Lanzarote and Fuerteventura, Spain. The vessel drifted until the Spanish rescue ship Gardamar Polimnia and a tugboat towed it safely to Arrecife port. No hazardous cargo or injuries were reported. Maritime authorities are investigating the mechanical failure. Cargo vessel Hindgrounds off Monas Island, fuel spill reported. On June 11, 2025, the Hind, a Guyanese cargo vessel, grounded near Monas Island, Trinidad and Tobago, after cargo shifted and caused a severe list. The incident resulted in diesel leakage from the bilge system. Authorities deployed containment booms and launched environmental assessments. The National Oil Spill Contingency Plan was activated, and an investigation is ongoing. Bulk carrier Run Fu 3 capsizes in Indian Ocean, crew rescued. On June 11, 2025, the Run Fu 3, a Panama-flagged bulk carrier, capsized 500 nautical miles south of the Maldives due to flooding. All 23 crew members were safely rescued by the Maple Harbor, a South Korean vessel, after abandoning ship. The capsized vessel remains adrift and under environmental monitoring. The crew will be disembarked at Port Louis, Mauritius. Honorable James L. Oberstar begins ship-to-ship transfer after grounding. On June 8, 2025, bulk carrier Honorable James L. Oberstar grounded in Michigan's St. Mary's River while carrying 29,000 tons of limestone. To refloat it, cargo is being transferred to K.E. Barker via self-unloading boom. Containment booms and aerial surveillance are in place. The U.S. Coast Guard is overseeing the operation. Repairs will begin after unloading. Fire aboard Interasia Tenacity off Kerala coast stabilized. On June 12, 2025, container ship Interasia Tenacity reported a fire in a deck container off Kerala's coast en route to Nhava Shiva. The Indian Coast Guard responded swiftly, deploying ICGS sachet and aerial surveillance. The crew contained the fire without injuries or pollution. The vessel continues its voyage under watch. Thank you for watching. For detailed article, please link in the description. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment area. Subscribe to MarinAura for more updates.